How to backup your phone data on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung device. In this video, I will show you three different methods to backup your important data or all old phone data to new Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. First of all, open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down until you can see the accounts and backup option on your Samsung device. Tap on it. Here you can see the option backup data. Three different method. First is the Samsung Cloud, second is the Google Drive, and third one is the Samsung Smart Switch option. So let's see one by one. First method is backup data in the Samsung Cloud. Tap on it. Make sure your Samsung device is logged in with your Samsung account to use this feature. Here you can see toggle on. Toggle on the option you want to backup data on your device. So after toggle on it, tap on a backup now button at the bottom to backup your data. Now here you can see backup your data. When complete the process, you can see the done button at the bottom. So wait until complete or backup data on your Samsung S25 Ultra. Now you can see tick mark all the backup data and tap on a done. Now the backup data on your Samsung Cloud. So you can easily backup using your Samsung account. Second one is the Google Drive. You can use your Google account, tap on a backup data. Now here you can select photos and videos, other device data. Select the data you want to backup and tap on a confirm. Now these like this, tap on a confirm. Now backup status, backup device data, backup is on, tap on a manage backup. Here you can see the button, tap on the backup now button to backup your data to your Google account on your device. Here you can see the list of backup detail, application, photos and video. Make sure to go on this option, photos and video, to backup photos and video on your camera folder to your Google account. Also call history, SMS, MMS messages. So this is the all available backup data on your Google account. So you can also use Google account or Google One backup data. And the last one is the my favorite, Samsung Smart Switch. Using this feature, you can complete copy your old Samsung smartphone data to new Samsung data, like a same theme, same application, etc. So you can use transfer data from old Samsung device to new Samsung device, or older iPhone, any other Android device, like a transfer from Android to Samsung, iPhone to Samsung, using your Samsung Smart Switch. Tap on a transfer data for device setup or external storage transfer. These two options available in a Smart Switch. First is the transfer data from device setup. So tap on it. Here you need to allow permission. Tap on a continue. Now you can Samsung Smart Switch use this permission. So allow it. Now here you can select send from this form or receive on this form. So follow this process step by step to transfer data from old Samsung to new Samsung, or any other Samsung or Android device to Samsung device, or iPhone to and Samsung device. Here we select send from this phone. Now here you can connect your device with wireless or cable you want to set on the device. So use your preferred connection. For my opinion, wireless is the best connection to quickly transfer your data. So select the wireless. Make sure both device connect with the wireless connection, and you can see this type of screen on your device. Now in the second device you can see the pop-up about transfer data. So if when you transfer to data, you can see another device. Tap on a transfer data to backup your important data. So this is the all three method you can use on a Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device to backup important data. That's it. If you like it, share it.